guys, it's Nikki, and welcome to this week's Plan With Me in my Erin Condren vertical neutral. Anyway, I am planning for the upcoming week, so March 2nd through the 8th. My birthday is March 7th, so I'm going to be using a birthday collection this week. This is from Little Miss Papery. This is an older collection. I believe it was released sometime maybe last year. It's an older format. And it's glossy, which I don't believe she even offers glossy anymore. I will say that after using so much premium matte and then using this glossy kit, I can understand a little bit now why people, like some people, not everyone, really dislikes glossy. I had never really understood it before, but now that I had kind of made the switch over to really just doing premium matte, I get it. I get the texture thing because this was just a little bit weird. I didn't dislike using the kit. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's just I understand a little bit better the glossy thing. Anyway, so the only other things that I'm going to be using with this kit this week are some of our new dainty icons. I just have the gray background with the silver. I've got a couple of sheets of those. I ended up only using a few off. I'm sorry, Ozzy is drinking out of his water bowl right now, and I know that's going to show up in the audio. Ozzy. Anyway, so I pulled some of our dainty icons, and then I have just one sticker, I believe, from Toffee Bananas, who is now Papershire. I'm trying to get better about using some of my functional items, but I still do need to do my de-stash / organization. I meant to film that today. I woke up this morning, though, and just kind of wasn't feeling the best, so I've mostly just been designing all day today. Just getting some stuff done for the shop, like on the back end, a bunch of that kind of stuff. So it has been productive. It's just not been quite what I wanted to do. Today was going to be a lot of filming, but I did want to go ahead and sit down and film my Erin Condren plan with me. I had planned on using the leftovers from this kit for my Print Prussian B6, but because this is a different format than her newer kits, I don't think that I'm actually going to be able to do that. So I need to figure out another like birthday related kit for this week. Also, sorry, there goes Ozzy again. For my sidebar, I did a full box. I did 2 daily trackers, 1 weekly tracker, and then down at the very bottom, I ended up putting in another full box and then just kind of covering that with the large laptop sticker that she has in the, oh my goodness, in these kits. He just got this toy and he's literally like he brought it to me to squeak it next to me while I do this, so. Anyway, so I did that. I laid down my date covers as well as my first row of glitter headers, as you guys saw, and now I am just laying down my full boxes as well as that second row of glitter headers. And as I'm sure you've noticed, I am once again using tweezers to place all of my stickers down. I had not tried using tweezers until I had some random something, I don't even remember, and it was so tiny that I just had to get tweezers to lay it down. And after that, I started to kind of like continue, and I realized that using tweezers this way, you can really get things straight. I feel like I personally have a huge problem laying stickers down straight, but something about being able to hold on to the one end, you guys will see me hold on to one end of something with my left like finger, and then I can adjust it with the tweezers that are in my right hand. It just works out really nicely. So if you are someone who has issues keeping stickers straight, then try out some tweezers because honestly, it has been so helpful. I believe the first person that I saw use tweezers was Viv Loves to Plan. I don't know if she's the very first person to ever use tweezers with stickers, but I think she was the first person that I personally saw use them. So as I was filming this, I started skipping around on my days. And I immediately knew that it was going to make doing this voiceover very difficult because I kept going, like, I didn't go, like, just one day all the way down. So I'm not even going to sit here and really try to explain what I'm doing. Instead, let's do just a little bit more of a chatty type thing. So this week is a really exciting week. There's a lot going on this week. Today, which is Sunday, the new members of the PR team were actually chosen and emailed. Chris and I had a really difficult time this round, narrowing down and then choosing who we wanted for PR. So I feel like it's always difficult for sure, but this time, I don't know. I don't know if it was just the amount of applications that came in or what. Also, Christopher is Chris Bracken, or I believe it's Chris.plans on Instagram. He is the head of my PR team. So with choosing PR members or anything, he has a lot of say in that because he's the one that has to like kind of deal with everything regarding PR. So anyway, if you did apply, thank you so much for your time for filling that application out. And if you weren't chosen this round, please feel free to reapply when the applications go live again. I believe it'll be in May. I believe the next term will be starting in June. If you were not chosen this time, please reapply. I wish we could have chosen every single person that applied. But anyway, so that's one thing that'll be happening this week is I'm currently working with everyone to get their samplers done so that we can announce the new team, announce the new samplers, all of that. I do think that we're going to go ahead and take away the PR codes, and instead, like, there's an Instagram code, there's a Facebook group code, I can do a YouTube code, that are all the same percentage. It just makes it a little bit more difficult on me to have to look on the orders to find the code versus just someone mentioning in the notes to seller which sampler they would like. And that's just because my invoices don't print with the coupon code that was used on them, so I have to actually go in and look. If anybody knows how to fix that, let me know. I use Order Printer for ShipStation. Not ShipStation, Shopify? Yeah, Shopify. If anybody knows like the code or whatever to put into that to make the coupon show, let me know, because that would fix the issue. But anyway, so you'll still be able to find a code for that same percentage. That won't be an issue. But instead of putting in the PR code that you want to use, you'll just type in the notes to seller which PR sampler you would like. Also, I believe 4 out of the 6 are already finished and designed, and they are beautiful. I'm really excited for this round. What else? Let's see. We have got March foil bundles will be shipping on, what, the 5th, Friday? Is that right? Is that Friday? I think so. And then it might be the 6th. It might be the 6th. Anyway, we've got those shipping this week. And then we've got April bundle subscriptions opening this week, which is just really exciting. And then, like I said, it's my birthday. So there will be a birthday sale. My birthday isn't technically until Saturday, but we're going to start the sale on Friday with new releases. There will be new releases this week. That's exciting. $2 Tuesday. I have got some stuff I'm designing for Plan to Inspire for swag if you guys are attending that. And yeah, just a whole bunch of fun things going on this week. But this is the finished spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.